This tutorial will help you to understand how to create advanced map chart in Bizintel360. Let's begin. Navigate to Widgets tab on left-hand side. Then scroll down the widget list. Click on Advanced Map Chart. Search for data source of your choice from the list available. In Set Widget Parameters section, select Aggregation Type, Column Names from the drop-downs. Sort by, Order, Count and Filter by parameters are optional. Click Next. Within a minute your advanced map chart is ready. There is an option to configure your chart. That is Set Widget Properties section. Try different options available to enhance your chart. Click on Generate Charts button to apply changes to your chart. Now, click on Save button appearing on top right-hand side, name your widget. Click on Save button. This is it. Thanks for watching.